Hey folks, thanks for tuning in. So in this short video, I'm going to unbox and provide my first thoughts on the new redesigned SimpliSafe home security system. We're in the middle of a home renovation project right now, and we needed a home security system, and a friend recommended this company. As it happened, they just redesigned their system from what was a very sort of outdated kind of look to this new look that's designed by IDEO and came out in January of 2018. So here it is. I couldn't find another video that reviewed this new system, so I thought I'd do one myself. So what we got here is the invoice, and this is the actual package that I got with the yard sign, the main base station, keypad sensor, motion sensor, 4 entry sensors, glass break sensor. You can kind of customize to whatever you think you need for your home. This ended up coming out at $363.89, and it came pretty quick. Of course, one of the benefits of the SimpliSafe system is that you're not locked into a contract. The monthly fees are actually, I think, pretty reasonable at $15 a month for the base option monitoring. So let's get into the unboxing here. This is the box that it came in. Here you've got your sign that you can put out front. I think some little bits inside to stand it up in the garden. You do need to get a permit in Oakland, which is where we live, to get the monitoring, so that's something that we'll have to do. So let's bring out the kit here. This is the base station. Got a few other things in here. The keypad. Let's get this box out of the way. There it is. Feels pretty nice in the hand. Nice buttons. There's the stake for the sign. So these will be the motion sensors. I've got the key fob here. More motion sensors. So just to save a little bit of time, I went ahead and unboxed some of these things. Just literally took them out of the box, didn't remove the film. So as you can see here, this is the motion sensor. It comes with sticky tape on the back and the sides and 2 screws, and you can remove this tab to allow the battery contacts to turn it on. Same here with the glass sensor. So this apparently detects the unique sound of breaking glass within your home. So I thought we should get one of those. These are the entry sensors. Apparently these are a lot smaller than the previous model. They certainly look fairly sleek. A little bit of sticky tape on that, and that one too. Now this is the key fob. So I got 2 of these. Pretty slimline. Looks pretty attractive. You can get these in white or black. And so that's that. And in the box came this, which I assume is the other part of the SIM card that goes into the base station. And this, of course, is the keypad that I showed you earlier. So what I'm going to do now is just remove this tab to see if it turns on, and can show you how that sort of looks and works. Okay, managed to remove that tab. You can see it booting up here. Searching for a base station. Okay, let's take the base station out and turn that on. Again, it's got this little tab.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
Okay.
New PIN confirmed.
Okay, so I'm not going to go ahead and install my devices right now because, in honesty, the home's not quite ready for this to be installed. It'll just get covered in dust. But just wanted to show you, and so
Alarm off.
as you can see, this screen actually has some cursors. You can go left, right, up, or down. It's a bit difficult to see with this film over the top, which I probably should remove. I assume this little red button is a panic button.
SimpliSafe on. Home. Warning. Power outage. Base station on backup battery.
Okay, so that's good. And it does come with a power supply, which is, I believe, right here. So let me go ahead and plug this in. Okay, so I went ahead and plugged in the power adapter at the mains, and it has this plug, which is a micro USB. So let's pop this in to the base station, like so. Let's see what happens. Okay, looks like we're back on.
Alarm off.
Okay, so say I'm at home.
SimpliSafe on. Home.
And let's go away.
Alarm off. Please exit now.
Okay, so it gives me a minute to exit before the alarm is activated. So I thought I'd just skip ahead.
SimpliSafe on.
And as you can see, it's about to alarm, or it's about to activate. So it's now in the away mode. Because I don't have any sensors paired to it at the moment, it's probably not going to go off. But let's say we come back home. We'll turn it off, enter the PIN.
Alarm off.
There we go. You know, another thing about this that I just realized is it has touch to wake. So after a few seconds the screen will turn off, and when you touch it anywhere on the surface the screen will illuminate and the buttons illuminate too, which is a pretty cool feature. So I think that's about it for now. So far so good. You know, it seems like a good update on their system. I never owned the previous one, so it's difficult for me to really compare, but it certainly looks a lot better. And I'll let you know how I get on. Thanks for watching. Sorry about the poor production quality of this video. You know, we're in the middle of moving into this place, so I don't have any of my equipment. But hopefully this gives you a sort of high-level view of what this system looks like, what it's like to unbox it, and Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.